In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about flex budgeting within Monarch Money. Flex budgeting can be an incredibly effective tool for managing your personal finances with more adaptability, especially in times when income or expenses might fluctuate. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through setting up your flex budget in Monarch Money. First, you'll want to start by selecting the flex budgeting option within the Monarch Money application. This feature allows you to adjust your budget on the fly, reflecting the realities you encounter month to month, rather than sticking rigidly to a fixed amount. Once you've selected flex budgeting, simply click on Continue to proceed to the next step. Next, you'll be prompted to enter amounts related to your budget. Here's an invitation to think critically about your expenses and what amounts would make sense in the context of your spending habits. You should also consider your financial goals. Remember, it's okay to adjust these amounts as you go along. That's the power of a flexible budget. As you continue through the setup, you'll encounter a section where you can specify the frequency of certain expenses. This is particularly useful for non-monthly expenses, such as annual subscriptions or quarterly insurance payments. At this point, it's crucial to be as accurate as possible about the frequency to ensure the budget reflects your true financial landscape. Once you've set this up, go ahead and click Continue. Now you'll reach a place to think about targets. You can type in a target amount for each category, reflecting what you aim to spend. This target can evolve as your circumstances change, giving you a financial reference point to work towards. Following this, enter the monthly budget for these targeted expenses. Again, when you're ready, click on Continue. Afterward, you'll come to flexible expenses. This is an area where you can really use the flexibility of the budget to its fullest. With flex budgeting, you have the ability to adjust your allocated amounts based on what feels right for your current financial status. Type in your planned monthly budget here, keeping in mind that this can change and should adapt as your spending needs fluctuate. When satisfied, continue to the final steps. Finally, everything you've set up can be reviewed by clicking View My Budget. This section gives you a comprehensive view of your budget, providing valuable insights into your financial decisions. It's always a good idea to periodically review this to ensure you stay on track and adjust as needed. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the flex budgeting setup in Monarch Money. This tool is designed to make your budgeting process smoother and more attuned to your dynamic lifestyle. Remember, the aim is to give you control over your finances without the constraints of a static budget. Thanks for following along, and happy budgeting.